2 dogs, 2 pens, 3 bicycles, 1 car, 1 egg, 3 cats.
6 girls, 5 newspapers, 5 books, 4 boys, 6 apples, 4 men,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6. 6, 1, 3, 5, 2.
There are 3 books. There is 1 cell phone. There are 5 fish. There are 2 children. There are 4 women. There are 6 eggs.
There are 3 balls.
There is 1 bed.
There are 4 keys.
There are 2 cell phones. There are 4 chairs. There are 3 phones. There is 1 cup. There are 2 tables. There are 4 cups. There are 3 eggs. There are 5 eggs. There are 6 cups. One flower is red. 2 apples are green. 3 plates are white. 4 bowls are blue. A red shirt. A blue shirt. A yellow t-shirt. A green t-shirt.
How many bowls do you have? How many plates do you have?
I have 2 plates. I have 3 bowls. The boy is not wearing a t-shirt. The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The man is not wearing shoes. The woman is wearing shoes.
The girl is not wearing pants. She is wearing a skirt. 3 women are wearing pants. 1 woman is wearing a dress. The boy is wearing pants. The men are wearing hats.
The woman is wearing a dress. The woman is wearing pants. The woman is wearing a skirt. The woman is wearing a hat.
She is buying 2 hats. She is buying 4 t-shirts. He is buying 3 t-shirts. He is buying 1 hat.
The man is wearing a coat. The man is wearing a hat. The man is buying a hat. The man is buying a coat.